So one of the most important things about calibrating the machine is before you drive over the tarps to measure your rock that you're laying out, you want to make sure that the computer is measuring distance correctly. And we do that through what we call the FPM, foot per minute calibration. To do that, you mark out a desired measured area. I like to do no less than 1,000 feet and drive that 1,000 feet. Make sure your stop and start point is at the same spot on your machine each time. Drive the 1,000 feet and then come over to this second screen here. Go to settings, and over on the right side there you'll see what's called FCal. That's the foot meter calibration. You would highlight that and then make an adjustment. Tell it how many feet you traveled. Say you traveled 997 feet. You'd save that by hitting the O button there. See how it changed colors? Now it's saved that calibration. That's how you adjust the FCal. You want to drive it a couple times to check your work to make sure that the FPM is correct. If that's off, nothing else will be correct.